I don't know if you've heard this news about this list being circulated with the most wanted men.
Yeah.
That's suggesting that 2 of the men on that list are already dead. Well, the JCF is apparently refuting reports that a list it released of the most wanted men is in fact the list they sent out. They say the list is flawed. It had been reported that 2 of the persons on the list are dead and that another is in hospital. However, the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of the Crime and Security Portfolio, Selvin Hay, says the list currently being circulated on social media and discussed on some traditional media outlets did not come from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He says a list of 37 persons was shared and discussed with stakeholders before the announcement of the state of public emergency. From this list, he says, 5 of those individuals were listed as priority, and he shared those folks with the media through a release on Friday. Moral of the story, be careful of some of the things that you see circulating on social media. Some of them as facts. You don't know the source, you don't know where they come from, you don't know if it's true. So we have to be very careful. Try your best to see if you can verify, if you can, but just be careful about what you accept and put out there.
Stop it, guys, stop it. Crime not playing around, it's not a joke. So when you get up and you decide, oh, it's gonna be cute for me to create a list and send it around, and then you sit down and say, hey, look how much people see the list I may create. Stop it. Sometimes there are some voice notes that go around telling you that police say you're not forgot here, so, and police say you're not
quite a few of them are circulating now, actually.
Yes. Stop it. I wish there was a way they could trace whoever started and make them feel a little lock up for 2 days.
Also becoming a thing, and you would know more than me because you're on FB as well. People are posting videos now of people being killed.
Yes.
Or of people who have been killed.
Or of dead people.
Or of people beating people to death. And I mean, problem now is that you're scrolling the Twitter timeline and it just start run.
And
you have to just run and scroll. Exactly.
Jumps at you.
Terrible, guys.
But when did we become so morbid that we feel it's okay to put
Some folks actually get joy from seeing others who they think are perpetrators of crime.
With desensitizing the nation. Let me tell you something. We can sit down in our house, you know, and lock up a grill and say, make police go out there go solve crime. Ain't gonna happen if police out there try to solve crime and we on social media trying to escalate crime. All of us have to contribute. I mean, it's so annoying sometimes. And you know, you make people, you raise this level of awareness in fakeness. Stop it, man. Stop it.
Okay, speaking of stopping, some people cannot go to foreign. Just when you thought the worst problem could have been cancer, even though I think that's probably the worst problem. All sorts of skin ills and skin conditions. Bleachers are now being warned to beware because your complexion could cause you some travel woes. Yep. So some Jamaicans apparently when you went to take a picture, you was one complexion, and you go back to the embassy, you don't look like yourself anymore. So you're having problems. Lots of Jamaicans who are bleaching their faces are facing delays in renewing passports because of what I just said. So they say we've had cases, this is PICA, where some persons, when they were 22, they were very dark. Now when they're 26, they are very light. We doesn't show who they are, so we have to refer it for further investigation. And they've had to be doing that with more than 2,100 applicants whose passport renewal applications have been passed on for further investigation in the last 2 years by officials at PICA, that's the Passport and Immigration and Citizenship Agency, in an effort to verify the authenticity of their new identities. Look how they just don't look. They don't look like yourself.
Well, and it's more than PICA, you know, a lot of facial recognition is happening now with biometrics. And if when you're looking at the camera and them take your picture don't match where they on the passport, it's gonna be a problem. So, I don't know that one they're gonna solve.
Yeah.
But guys, beyond this, because someone are gonna say, well, me not travel. It's an issue, I think, here also for your national identification, eventually. And it's an issue for your health.
That may say, passport issues is one thing.
Your health.
Skin cancer, real.
It's an issue for your health.
Real.
When beautiful, you know, I don't know why I don't know beautiful, you know. Black people, some of the most beautiful people in the world, and some of the most beautiful people in the world come from right here in Jamaica. So I don't know. Let us be the country that says to people, bleaching does not live here, because we are Jamaican black men and women, and we are beautiful. Wouldn't that be nice if we made that statement to the world? Yeah.
Would be.
Yeah. Spending money on something else, man. Calculate up the bleaching money and see if the bleaching money couldn't put towards put on one room in our house.
Because so from what I understand, do not cheap those agents.
Well, and it's consistent. So. You have to buy. If you put up a little money there, you could have buy a little something in the house. Something. What a beautiful man. I mean, not just a second with up on TV and I say, watch the and Simone on TV and talk about bleach. And then about bleach. What a beautiful, trust me. Beautiful, and I need not a bleach. Only bleach and I need, I want to put pan clothes, and not even that, one I don't need. So, amen.
Why you don't need that?
Then can use, because sometimes they throw too much, spoil up the clothes.
You know, just throw a little bit.
Then some of them don't know moderation.
Gotcha. Okay. Finally, we're going all the way to Alaska.
Yes.
Where there is a tsunami warning in effect, apparently. An 8.2 magnitude earthquake has been detected. 8.2?
8.2.
Murder has been detected about 175 miles southeast of Kodiak, Alaska, in the Gulf of Alaska. The quake had a depth of about 6 miles. So the tsunami warning is in effect for southeast and South Alaska, including the Alaska Peninsula, Aleutian Islands, and British Columbia in Canada.
This is serious.
Tsunami watch is in effect for California, Oregon, and Washington, according to the Tsunami Warning Center. This weather thing and climate thing, you know, daily.
I know. And all of a sudden, now, every minute, there's a tsunami warning. And I'm not saying it's fake. It's real tsunami warning. And you have to ask yourself now, you have to be so aware of the climate, Simi, and what's going to be happening in the environment and all them things.
Yes, ma'am.
Tsunami was a thing when you hear the name, you say, and then you say,
nobody was
but
familiar.
That's on this side of the world.
Oh, yeah?
No, it's a serious thing.
Awareness, as Delia said, just be aware, be quite aware. I'm sure Sarah Palin can see this one from her house if it does come. Okay, so it is 6:15.
It is 6:15.
And Delia has birthdays.
Yes, I have a lot.
I know.
Happy birthday to Johnny Gerzong. Good morning, sir. Happy birthday to you. Also, Colette Taylor, the wonderful Jeanette Lewis. Hi, Jeanette.
Oh, Jeanette's birthday today?
Yes. Rayon McLean, who's probably watching us on One Spot Media, one of them Chevening scholars like Kemisha.
Is it Chevening, or Chevening?
Good question.
Come here, my ear Kim said Chevening into her speech.
No, she said Chevening?
Yeah, but I've heard Chevening.
I've heard Chevening.
You've heard Chevening too?
Well, she was a scholar, so she must know any.
I think so.
So I'm going to work with her.
Let's work with
Chevening. Chevening scholars. Shantane McBrown, Orlando Wallace, and Trish Williams. Cheyenne Drummond, 10 on January 18th. So her mom said she sent in a greeting for your Cheyenne, but we never got to see it. And I know you were disappointed, but happy birthday from me, Auntie Simi.
Yes,
and from Mom Yolande, Dad Pete, and your sister Alexia. I'm trying to find this gorgeous young man who is Jaden Amiel. He is 10, and he is son.
He's what?
10. Jaden Amiel is 10. Son for the wonderful Carlene Amiel and Rowan Amiel, our co-worker here. Happy birthday to you, Jaden. From Carlene, Rowan, and your sister Jade. Happy birthday to you. Not true?
I am so old.
Jaden's supposed to be like 1.
Yeah, I'm so old.
When Jaden turned 10?
When Jaden born. Run the credit.
I'm turned 10. Here's a birthday video there.
The unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago. lives in all of the hearts of people. Believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know